A little warm up. And Wyatt is over there practicing. The young man here in the black is family friend Ahmed. Alright, so it's definitely going to start raining. We're actually under a tornado watch until 4 p.m. But we had to move to the field. Now we're over here in field number 5. So they're doing their practice now. Then they're going to play.
Oh, God. I'm going to run to the bathroom before it's too late.
Whiny heads, whiny heads. So Ryder's way down there playing football. We got some rain. It's pretty nasty here if you look. And we found some shelter we could hang out in during the rain. But like it's some really freaky cloud coverage here. Awesome job, Ryder. We just missed a recording of a good play of Ryder. He took it all the way down the field to like right there. From all the way down there.
You don't even say right there.
Right there, over there, and then there. Well, I don't know the field marks because there's no numbers. It's, believe it or not, we literally were in that pavilion way over there, and it was not raining, it was nice. As soon as we got into about here, all of a sudden, it started raining again. Dude, that was awesome. How do you feel about that play? I didn't have it on record, dude. I'm sorry.
I feel like going, Ryder. Go.
And it's raining again good. Oh, get him, Ryder. Get him. What a day. It just keeps raining. This is horrible.
Help me.
Thanks for watching.